Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, watch our videos, like, and comment. So in this video, I'm showing you an Isuzu Dmax, a 2015 model TF86 with 4JK1 engine. And in this video, I'm showing you the location of the chassis number, the fin plate, and the engine number. So the chassis number is located on the frame below the driver door pillar, as you can see. So below the driver door, that is the chassis number you seeing there. While the fin plate is located on the right hand side front wing of the inner phalanx. So right hand front wing of the inner phalanx is where you can see the fin plate. So there you go. That is the fin plate you can see over there. While the engine number is below the engine on the right hand side, seen by turning the front driver wheel. So turning the front driver wheel, you can see the engine number there. That is the engine number you seeing over there.